Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2020 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross. This Eclipse is featured in the SE trim and is a silver paint finish. It includes features such as heated front seats, power folding outside mirrors with blind spot detection, a backup camera with adaptive guidelines, Bluetooth audio with hands-free audio interfaces, as well as our super all-wheel drive control. Moving into the front of the vehicle, we can see we have a chrome finish door handle. Below it are power folding mirror controls, power locks, as well as power window controls. The bottom of the door has some storage, as well as a speaker. Just to the left of the steering wheel is the controls for our traction control. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, we can see our display cluster with a digital information system on the top. Moving to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we can see all of our hands-free settings. The right-hand side of the steering wheel has our cruise settings. Also see that we have our chrome paddle shifters behind. Moving to the middle, we can see our infotainment system. If we go into our apps, we can see that we can connect smartphones. Our home button takes us to our apps, phone, Sirius XM, FM, Bluetooth audio, as well as USB inputs, settings, night mode. Inside of our settings, we can see we have our touchpad controller settings, Sirius XM settings, and more. We have audio on the bottom left, volume controls on the right, as well as our power settings. Below is our dual zone front climate control settings. We have an eco mode button below, 2 USBs, and a 12-volt plug with some storage. Heated front seats just to the right of our paddle shifter. Then we have our sport mode, gravel mode, as well as our auto mode. We have the control for our infotainment system here, which we can see functions as a button and can also swipe left and right across it. Below it, some additional controls if we don't always want to be using the touchscreen. We have our parking brake as well as our auto hold. We have our 2 cup holders just on the other side of that. You can see our key here with our locks and unlocks as well as our panic button. Moving into our center console, we can see that we have deep storage as well as a coin tray. Moving to the seats in the front of the vehicle, we can see they are finished in our black cloth and are heated. Then above the rear view mirror, we can see all of our lighting controls. And we can also see our overhead mirrors. We can see that we have our lights on either side. Now moving down the side of the vehicle, moving down to our front tire and rim, we can see our rim is finished in a black and silver alloy finish with a Mitsubishi center cap. Moving up, we have a paint match finish on our outside mirror, as well as paint match finishes on both our door handles and our fin. On the back of the vehicle, we can see all of our Eclipse Cross, as well as our Mitsubishi badging in chrome. On the left-hand side, we have our backup camera. In the center, we can open up the back of the vehicle. You can see our storage space as well as our 60/40 folding second row seating. We also have a storage cover which can be attached through the either side on the left and right. We also have storage underneath as well as an additional full-size tire. Moving to the back of the vehicle, we can see our chrome door handle. Our door lock is above. We have our power window control, as well as some storage and a speaker. Inside the vehicle, we have 3 seats in the second row in a 60/40 folding split and a black cloth finish. In the center seat, we have 2 foldable cup holders. In the passenger seat, we have a storage compartment. Between the 2 seats, there is a 12-volt plug at the bottom. And across the bottom, we have all-weather floor mats. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2020 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.